Good morning. This is a presentation on a project called What is Function. So in this presentation, we talk about 5 major functions of management, which are organizing, controlling, planning, reading, and staffing. Apart from those management functions, we talk about 3 management styles also, which are directing, discussing, and delegating. Let us start on the first organizing management function. Organizing management function controls the overall structure of the company. It means that it will look on all aspects of the business structure. The management activity that is associated with this function is the distribution of tasks and responsibilities to the employees. The second management function is controlling. Controlling function of management involves making sure that all functions are operating successfully and meeting organization goals. It means that this controlling function will ensure that all other business functions are on good track. The management activity that is associated to this function is conflict solving. The third management function is planning. Planning involves defining business goal and set action steps to make the goal achievable. It means that when a business is planning the goal, it will have to set some specific actions that will be done in order to achieve that goal. So this is another function of management. The management activity associated to this function is evaluation of a certain department performance. The fourth management function is staffing. Staffing is a management function that controls the recruitment and personnel needs in the organization. It means that if there is a deficit of employees or if there is a lack of skilled employees, this staffing management function will be dealing with that needs of employees. The management activity associated to this function is performance appraisal. The last one is reading. As it is self-explanatory, reading involves leadership of the organization. It means the organization of employees or controlling resources and other activity that include leadership will be set in this function. So the management activity that is associated to this function is like supervision of financial transaction. It means that leaders or the boss of the company should go in a finance department and look if the invoices are being sent to the customers, if the receipts are well handled and kept. So this should be a management activity that is associated to reading. Let us look on management styles, which are directing, discussing, and delegating. Let us start by directing. Directing is a management style where employees listen and follow instruction from the boss. After listening and following those instructions, they go and work and come up with a required product or document from the boss. The second one is discussing. Discussing is a management function style that promotes critical thinking and discussion by asking questions and about opportunities, change, and other work-related issues to the employees. So this is done by boss, where he invites employees and discuss about issues and brainstorm different ideas, and the reader will be responsible of picking the best idea to be implemented. So let us look on the last management style, which is delegating. Delegating management style involves assigning tasks and responsibilities to the employees. This should be independent or group. So this is after having given the task or responsibility to work on. The team or individual go and work on a project or on a deliverable that is required by boss, and then come up with the product to be handled on the boss. So this is adapted from February to 2014. Thank you for your kind attention.